polymerization. So let's start. Condensation, polymerization. They are obtained by condensation of molecules having more than one functional group, resulting in the elimination or removal of simple molecules such as H2O, NH3, etc. Okay? The reaction takes place in a controlled stepwise manner, and the product formed in each step is a distinct functionalized species and not a reactive intermediate. Hence, this process is also called step growth polymerization. Next is, it is important to note that unlike addition polymerization, condensation polymerization does not take place through chain reaction involving reactive intermediates such as free radicals, carbocations and carbanions. Our next topic is kinetics of condensation polymerization. The esterification of an alcohol can be studied by titrating the unreacted carboxyl groups in sample. The esterification reaction are acid catalyzed reactions. In absence of an added strong acid, a second molecule of the acid takes part in esterification reaction as the catalyst. The rate of polymerization process is therefore minus ddt of concentration of COH equal to K into concentration of COH square and concentration of OH. If the concentration of the hydroxyl group and the carboxyl group are same, both being given by C, then minus dC dt equal to Kc, where K is the rate constant of the reaction, and again dC minus dC by Cq equal to K dt. Now, upon integration, what we get? We get 1 by C square equal to 2 kT plus A, where A is the integration constant, or 2 kT equal to minus 1 by C naught square plus 1 by C square equal to 1 by C square minus 1 by C naught square. Now, P equal to extent of reaction. Now, if this P is defined as the fraction of functional groups that have undergone reaction at time t. Therefore, 2 kT equal to 1 by C naught square into 1 minus P whole square minus 1 by C naught square, or 2K into C naught square into T equal to 1 by 1 minus P whole square minus 1, or 1 by 1 minus P whole square equal to 2K C naught square T plus 1. It is a very important reaction. Our next topic is graph. If 1 by 1 minus P whole square is plotted against T, we get a straight line with positive slope. And slope is 2K into C naught square, and the rate constant K equal to slope by 2 into C naught square. So, we plotted against 1 by 1 minus P whole square against T, and we get this type of curves, and the slope is 2K into C naught square. The presence of a trace amount of strong acid in the reaction medium acts as a catalyst in the polyesterification reaction. Therefore, in presence of an acid catalyst, the reaction of esterification is given by minus dC dt equal to K into concentration of OH into concentration of COOH into concentration of acid catalyst. If the concentration of both the alcohol and acid is C and that of catalyst is C dash, then minus dC dt equal to Kc square into C dash, where K is the rate constant of reaction, or minus dC upon C square equal to Kc dash dt. Now upon integration on this reaction, what we get? We get 1 by C equal to Kc dash T plus A, where A is the integration constant. When T equal to 0, then C equal to C naught and initial concentration 1 by C equal to Kc dash T plus 1 by C naught, or Kc dash T equal to 1 by C minus 1 by C naught, or Kc dash T equal to 1 by C naught into 1 minus P minus 1 by C naught, or Kc dash, this C naught comes here, C naught into T equal to 1 by 1 minus P minus 1, or we get 1 by 1 minus P equal to Kc dash C naught into T plus 1. It is also a very important reaction. Next topic is graph. If we plot 1 by 1 minus P against T, a straight line is obtained with the slope. Therefore, slope equal to K into C dash C naught, and rate constant equal to slope by C dash C naught, and we get the graph like this: 1 by 1 minus P against T, and the slope is K C dash C naught. Okay, so all about today's lecture. Thank you.